Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Today we shall see how to change the name of the application and how to add an icon to the application. Okay, start the new Android Studio project, select empty activity and name the application as first name and icon app. Okay, finish. There are two methods to change the icon of the application. First, we shall see how initially the logo looks in the Android mobile. Run this empty project. After running the project, we can see the logo of the application like this. And this is the logo which looks somewhat odd. So now we shall see how to change the icon of an application. Go to App, New, Image Asset and select as Launcher Icons and Image and select the path where the image is stored in your PC. Okay, it's in the desktop, so okay, here you go. The icon looks like different for different sizes. Click next and give finish. That's all. And if you run this project, you get to know how our icon looks like. Okay, now we shall see the icon of a scene. The logo of Code Android is being there. Now if you want to change the icon in a different method, and the second method to change the icon of an application is by copying the source image to the application. We shall copy and paste it in the drawable folder. Click OK. Now go to Android manifest.xml and here in the Android icon just mention the path of the image. That is, we have it in drawable and the name is logo. Just select and run the application and see for the new icon for our application. Now the project has synced successfully. Now we shall see the logo for an application. Yes, you go here. We have successfully changed the logo of an application. Now we shall see how to change the name of the application. Initially, we had given the name as first name and icon for our application. If you want to change the application name, go to androidmanifest.xml and in the label section, just change the name of the application. Select that and give it as second name. And now if you run this application, you get the new name as second name. You can see that the name of the application has been changed to second name and you can see here, and this is for the session. In this session we have learned that how to change the icon of an application and even the name for the application. Thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android.